am here in the kitchen gardens at the UT Gardens, and we are going to talk just a little bit about home strawberries, especially in the raised beds. It's a great raised bed growing area here, and raised beds are something that can be a great home for your strawberries because they don't take up very much room, and especially if we're using day neutral strawberries, which is what we're going to talk about today. So day neutral means that they do not flower and then produce fruit in response to day length. Our kind of old-fashioned home garden strawberries will typically set buds in the fall and then bear at one point in the May to June period. Whereas day neutrals will actually have a couple 3 bearing periods that they'll have. So they'll set fruit and we'll be able to harvest them for multiple points in our growing season. We're going to plant a bare root plant. Bare roots are a great option because you can get a really wide range of cultivars. Now we've had these sitting in water because we don't want our bare root plants to dry out. Bare root are really nice because they're cost effective for the home gardener, but we do have to treat them pretty gently. And we need to get them in the ground as soon as we can when they arrive. These actually just came a couple of days ago. So to plant bare root plants, the most important thing to think about is the depth in the soil. And we want to plant it right there at the center of this crown. But if we plant the plant too high in the ground, some of these important roots will be exposed. If we plant it too deep, we can actually disrupt the growth of the plant because this is the very short stem that strawberries have called a crown. And so we want loose, friable, well-moistened soil, and we're just going to gently spread those roots out so that they're well exposed to this nice, friable, organic, rich soil that we have here, and we're going to cover them up, bring in that soil right to the center of the crown. Then we'll water them in and deal with any fertilizer that we need to apply, and look forward to some home garden strawberries this summer.